The OKK robot dog toy, OKK-123, is a smart remote control toy that is fully assembled out of the box, ready to entertain your kids with up to 7 different voice commands. The programmable robot dog can perform a variety of actions, including walking forward, stepping back, and performing a handstand, all controlled by the included remote. The interactive toy dog has multiple interaction modes and can respond to hand gestures, voice commands, and remote control, providing endless entertainment for your kids. The robot dog comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring longer playtime and companionship for your child, and a battery-saving mode that puts the robot to sleep after 80 seconds of inactivity. This popular robotic dog toy is a great gift for kids, promising to entertain the entire family and create memorable moments. The OKK Robot Dog Toy 123 has received positive reviews, with a score of 4.3 out of 5 from 923 reviews, and is manufactured by OKK, a brand known for its quality and customer service.